In this video, let's talk about a report that not everybody is using in Google Analytics, but you probably should. It was recommended to us by Justin Rondeau, and it's called the Site Search Insights Report. So we're actually going to do this. One of my favorite as well, site search. So we're going to go into the behavior reports because we're asking questions around what type of actions the users are taking on our site. And under this behavior report, we're going to look at site search. Now, this is different than Google search or search engine search that's driving traffic. That would be in the acquisition reports. We're wanting site search because these are the actual site searches that are happening on your site using your search boxes that are on your site already. So people already on your site, what are they looking for? It's one of the most powerful reports out there. And I'll show you why. If we click on search terms here, we'll see in the Google Merchandise Store what people are looking for. And imagine if you were an e-commerce shop and you could actually see in Google Analytics the different search terms of maybe different products, in this case, Beanie, Gopher, Ingress, speakers. We can see what people are actually searching for on the Google Merchandise Store. If I didn't offer beanies, I might want to start offering beanies because clearly people are looking for them. And so I might want to do that. It gives me an idea. If you're a content marketer and you've got a very popular blog, having that search there will help you to build content out because you're going to know what people are looking for. We had a client at one point who was a travel agent, and they did site search and they expected to find which types of trips people were looking for. But instead, they found that people were looking for contact details. Can you imagine that? People were coming to this travel agent not searching for Disney trips or Tokyo trips. They were looking for the contact details of the different travel agents because it wasn't available on the site, at least not in a place where people were looking. And so that was one incredibly valuable insight that that company was able to pull from their analytics, all because they chose to set up their site search reports and take a look and start using those and asking those questions. What are my users searching for and what actions can I take based on those searches? So again, one of the most overlooked reports, but incredibly powerful. It's an absolute must if you are using search on your own site.
All right, now it is your turn. I would love to hear how you are actually applying this to your own business. So be sure to leave a comment below and let me know that. Also, if you love topics around Google Analytics, like I do, you want to make sure that you're notified when new videos come out. So just be sure to like and subscribe to the CXL channel to make sure that you're on that list.